Podcasting. What is a podcast? A podcast is an audio story that is used to communicate to others by sharing an idea or an opinion, to tell a story, to share information or latest research, or to inform someone or to educate them. How do we listen to a podcast? When we're listening to a podcast, we're listening for the content that is being shared with us. That is what the podcast is about. Content includes what information the podcast is providing. When you're listening to the podcast, you should be able to visualize what is being described because of the way they are describing it. They should be using words that helps you to picture in your mind what is going on. A great podcast will make you feel different emotions when you hear the content. If you hear something about global warming, do you feel upset? If you hear something about animals, are you feeling happy or wanting to do something to help them? What do you feel? And the content also helps us to know if we are interested to hear more. Maybe we did not know something beforehand, and now learning a little bit about it, we want to keep investigating the topic. Another way to listen to a podcast is the type of presentation that is given. And that's just the way the host or hosts are talking and presenting it. For example, can you understand the podcast? If you can't understand the words that are being said, you won't be able to visualize what is happening. What emotions do you have when you listen? If the host does not show energy or an excitement or that they have worked hard to understand the topic, it's hard to feel a connection to the podcast or the content. Are you interested to hear more? Is the way they talk and how they talk, is that interesting to you? Does it make you want to listen to more? So think about this when you're listening to podcasts.